Hello everyone, good morning, good evening, and good day to all of you. We're going to convert this 220 volt bulb, AC bulb, into DC. You just need to remove all these parts, remove the inside of it, and so on. Let's start. Okay, we're going to use a hot air to remove these components. Then after it, so on. We added some plugs, soldering plugs. We can't remove it. I think we need to remove it this whole board. But I want this heatsink. You can also reuse this inductor. Where should I put this? Oh, we just need to set the hot air to 490 degrees Celsius and 5 airflow. This is already destroyed, so you can just turn it like this. Steady hot air. Oh, so hot. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now we need to remove this type of kind of glue, but we need to, it's too hot. We're going to use a knife. You must be very careful using tools, etc., etc. If we can't get this, we just need to create another PCB, or it depends on you if how you do it. Alright. Oh, it looks like the driver of this is here. It's written, it's connected here, but when you remove it, this is the parts. I think we can use this upside down as another heatsink for this one. Just need something to this LED with heatsink to put it right there, stick it right there. If you use stick glue, well, that will not work. It will melt, and the LED will remove. If you use some kind of epoxy, I don't know if it can handle heat. So the only thing that I know is we need a screwdriver. I'm no, I'm wrong. We need a screw, little tiny screws. Need to find that. We need to about here, or we screw a hole here. We put this, screw it up like that. Then voila, just connect the wires and wirings, etc. I'm going to create a resistor holder for this one, or we can also use any. We don't. If you don't have any PCB to add some kind of regulators for your LED, you can also use a resistor, the right type of resistor for your DIY LED. For now, I'm using 4.7. Wait, I'm using 4.7 ohm resistor. You can also use 5.6 ohm resistor, etc. It depends on your LED voltage, LED current needs, and input. Okay, we need to solder these LEDs one by one here. I recommend, it depends on you if you wanted to put it to the negative side or the positive side. Well, for me, I'm going to solder it to the positive side to each of these resistors. I'm going to use 4.7 ohms. So, wait, I need to pause to heat up my soldering iron. And I'm sorry if this is how I talk because of grinding so much nighttime. While our soldering iron is heating up, uh, I'm sorry for that. We need to test the continuity or the connections for the wire of this one. Some LED bulbs or AC bulbs have different types. Their driver is inside of this bulb, not like this one. Okay, let's test the continuity if there is a connections of these wires or contact here and there. Okay, this is the center. Wait. It looks like there's, oh, wait. Wrong. We must isolate everything before we test it. Okay. Wait. Good. There's a connection. This wire to here. There's connection. In here, none. Okay. About the other one. Is there a continuity or connections or cuts, etc.? Good. There is connections. Okay. Just need to solder. Just need to wait for the soldering iron to heat up. By the way, everyone, I wanted to know what kind of glue is this. Used on. It's like a rubber glue that can handle heat. Just put it in the comment sections and I'll read it. Thank you very much. Okay, everyone, our soldering iron is heats up. I'm using 30 watts. It's much better to use 40 watts to 60 watts. And if your soldering is quite thicker, then use 100 watts. But depends on your circuit, etc. Okay, let's solder some 4.7 ohms 4.7 ohm resistor. I'm using carbon resistor type. You can also use any type of resistor like metal film, the blue ones. First, before we connect to this valve housing, we're going to need to make sure that all the circuit is working before we assemble it directly to the housing. Just connect the each resistor in parallel. Same with the negative side. Test it first before we wire it all together. Using a diode test. Now, just need to solder the grounds. Do not forget also to isolate this so we won't burn our LEDs. Before we power it using a battery, we must double check it. If you're using an analog, you can use the X1 to test the if it lights up and to test your circuits. And if you're using an analog, I mean you're using a digital tester, use the diode test. Think all goods. Just need to test using a battery. Subukan natin. Let's try it. Bago yun, 4.0 or 4.2 volt, 4.1 basta 4 volt. Calculated to. Pero okay na rin kung practical test, pwede rin yun. Kailangan patayin natin yung ilaw. Okay, we're done. Connected the negative, and the positive. On the positive side, we connected the right value or the right type of resistor. Now let's insulate the connections. I mean, you can also use any kind of tactics to make just to make it work. Me, I'm just doing this silly, this silly design. You can use a PCB clad, some ferric chlorides, a pentyl pen type or paper tape to create some kind of good design to make it like a professional. Well, just here, just a tutorials. So how to convert this AC bulb into DC. short the leads of these resistors, so you don't need to do this. Look like we need to properly wire it, so we don't have any issue to put it together. Something like that, but it depends on you if how you design it. Right now my mind is any ideas, so I need to, depends on you how you design. It's just like that. So for now, just for testing. Oh, it's now good. But we need to fix the heatsink and the LED so it won't be like this one. Just need to. Oops, oops. See? Just need to fix this. I can find the right type of tornillo here. So I'm going to use a zip tie. I think this can handle heat for low heat. I think I need to drill another hole here. Drill another there. Not all design is like this. Depends. This is just for you to decide if what type of design you will do. And still good. Now the problem need to solve is to put it right in place. Depends on you guys if how you stick it into place. For now, I'm going to use a stick glue because, well, I don't see any solution for now, so I'm going to use stick glue temporarily. If this can hold this, if this can hold it, then good. If not, we need to upgrade it with something else. This is my first video to teach tutorials here in YouTube. On other page, that's different. I did this on purpose so you can decide what design. If this designed tutorials you don't like, then you can create your own design just to make it work. What the heck? It did not fit, so we need to think again. It's like it needs. I don't know how can I place that. I'm more fixed on electronics, but for now, you have no idea to what to do, how to fix that. This device, these switches, some have malfunctions. Good. Just need to fix. Thank you all for watching. Itong bulb na to ay converted. Itong bulb ay isa dating ito, 220 volt bulb, kinonvert ko ng DC. Kaya pwede na siyang gumana. Putik. Dito banda. Sama di baterya. Okay guys, ayos na rin naman no. At yung mga yun yung mga piyesa ng dating bulb na to. Ngayon ginawa kong 3.7. Ay, para pala hindi na short circuit. Lagay ko ng 3.7 dito nga.